In this video, I'll show you how to download apps on your iPhone. Now, the first thing you have to do is make sure that you are signed into your Apple ID. So just go to settings and make sure that your Apple account is signed in. And once you do that, what you need to do is go to the App Store. This is the App Store. Just tap here and that will open up the App Store. Now in here, you can find any app just by browsing here. Or if you want something specific, you can just go to the search box and in here type in the app name. So let's say if we want to download Timu, we can just search for it and then tap here, and from here all you need to do is just tap on get. And now, while facing the camera to yourself, just double click the side button to confirm your identity or the Face ID. And now the app will start downloading, so just give it a moment. And as you can see, the download and installation is complete. Now if we go to our home screen, we can see that the application is here and we can use it. And that is how you can download apps on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.